BBMP and Bangalore potholes, never-ending love story. One more circle, beautiful. I think this is the biggest I have seen till now. And hospitals are beautiful here in Mysore. Google Map. No. Hey guys, just a quick room tour. So this is where I'm staying right now, Mysore. The plan now is to visit Chamundi Hills, have breakfast, come in, check out, head back to Bangalore. If you see, can you see there, that is the Chamundi Hills. That is where I'm planning to go right now. See you guys on the bike. Welcome back guys, back on the road. Beautiful climate here. I'm heading towards Mailari Hotel. It is a famous hotel in Mysore where you get the ghee masala dosa. Look at that beautiful palace. So this is one special thing about Mysore. We see a lot of circles over here and there are a lot of dividers, at least 5 to 6, more than 6 in fact, and you get literally confused. And this Google map is, see this, you need to be very careful here. You have to see everywhere literally, and nobody is going to stop you unless they want to. I think today it is going to rain a little bit, but hopefully not now guys, because I'm going to Chamundi Hills. One more circle. Mysore is a land of heritage land, but and also a land of many circles, traffic circles I mean. It is crowded like anything. Let me see what I can do. There is literally no space to walk around. Everywhere it is crowded. It is tightly packed, and even waiting time is a bit more. So I'm heading to other branch, which is about 2 kilometers from here. And I don't mind to eat in a separate other branch also, because I'm little too hungry now, and there the space is bit more, right? And it is very important to take precautions, and that is very important, at least nowadays. For a moment I thought it is an actual elephant. I'm at Mailari Hotel Agrara branch. So I just bought Mysore Pak from a famous shop. So if you are in Mysore and if you're planning to buy Mysore Pak, obviously you have to buy. So then we give a visit to Mahalakshmi Sweets. So there are a lot of branches out there, but I think this is the main branch. I don't know exactly, but if you just search on the Google best Mysore Paks near me, you'll get it. Mahalakshmi Sweets. Awesome guys. This hotel is decent hotel, and right opposite hotel there is a beautiful JSS hospital. Even hospitals are beautiful here in Mysore. Bike is all set, and this is how you put your top box. Lock it. There you go. Simple as that. Simple, straightforward, hassle free. Whenever you get down, just unlock it. So there are two locks, one for this and one for the top rack. Unless and until you have the key, you cannot open it. So whenever you get down, just unlock it, just take it like a suitcase and walk in like a boss. Okay, cool. Okay, it's time to head back to Bangalore. Actually, my plan was to go to Chamundi Hills, but I'm unlucky. Friday, Saturday, Sunday it will be closed, it seems. So, and there are a lot of other options also which you can. Come on, man, where to go? Why it is showing like this? Google Map. And no, I have to take a U-turn now, because there are a lot of places to visit nearby, and there is no such one beautiful place to go, right? I have been to all these places, and right now it is very crowded also, and so better next time when I come, I'll specifically come for that, to explore the places nearby Mysore, maybe as a 2-day ride. So today I'm wearing rain liners, but the climate is pretty hot. Temperature is 26 or 27, I think. I had to check my air pressure, which I couldn't do while coming back. So I'll fill my petrol, check the air pressure, and head back to Bangalore. See you guys. Such a beautiful place. Is it a golf place? I think so. Yes, it is a golf place. I can see people playing golf. What a beautiful place, man. Wow. Amidst the mountains, people are playing golf. Wow. See how beautiful it is. Nice. I visited Mysore onto the Kankapura road, Kunigal Kankapura road. While going back, I thought I'll take the Kankapura road, because it's been a long time, and there is a lot of construction going on. While coming back, I saw that side, the Bangalore-Mysore highway. There are a lot of diversions on the road because of the construction. So beautiful roads are in making, but it will take a bit of time. Done with water break. This is Malavalli. Barachukki and Gaganachukki falls are 20 kilometers from here. So last time when myself and Rajesh had come, we had been to that falls. So when we visited, there was not much water. Now I got to know from the shopkeeper that there is good amount of water here. Now it's the best time to visit. Yeah. planning to have a quick lunch here and head back to Bangalore. Bangalore is about 40 kilometers from here. Weather is beautiful, and yeah, so far so good. Cool guys, back on the road after a quick lunch break. I think it was a perfect timing. As soon as I went inside the restaurant, it started raining cats and dogs. I think it was a perfect timing. Feeling proper monsoon vibes here, Kankapura. I think Bangalore is more 40 kilometers. I think from somewhere around here the proper traffic starts going into Bangalore. The ride has been absolutely good so far after lunch break. Even though the roads are not good, climate is wonderful. These people are very experienced here, you know, they know exactly how to ride the cars in these roads, the Kanakpura roads. And whenever the truck is there, it is very difficult to overtake sometimes, especially for the cars. Hogappa Guruve. I have officially entered the Bangalore now. BBMP, the body which is responsible for so many potholes in Bangalore. BBMP and Bangalore potholes, never ending love story. Literally guys, it's a love story for generations to come. Okay, finally reached back my home. It was a wonderful experience, I would say. This time it is a bit more special because I'm taking few of those memories recorded back with me in terms of digital footprint. Feels good to be doing this stuff. We'll be back with one more ride. Till then, take care. See you guys. No matter how tasty your food, smash. Man, I was just going with the flow, man. Shit. I had to go straight.